giving you the exact framework to pass a prop firm challenge. It's so easy. I'm going to give it to you all right now. You're going to be able to pass every single prop firm challenge if you do exactly what I'm about to tell you to do. First things first, you need to master a market edge with rules, limits to capital, and trades. That clearly means if you do not have a profitable strategy that you fully understand and mastered, then you will never pass a prop firm challenge. A prop firm challenge is for somebody who is a profitable trader and can take advantage and apply the skill and continuously get paid to apply the skill. This is a business. This is not a game. This is not a hobby. This is just repetition to a bunch of little habits that in return pay you. If we want a doctor's salary, we need to put in med school effort. This is how we do that. You master an edge. And if you need a strategy, I have a mentorship. I have videos on my strategy. If the fastest path to success, do the mentorship. Then, after you've mastered the market edge with rules and limits to capital and trades, you need to understand and have the skill of sitting and waiting for no trades. And that should be easy, and understanding that we are patient, the setup will eventually come. We want to be selective with our trades. And that is all. If you want a more technical answer on how to pass, doing the math on your win rate and how much you can really afford in drawdown, I highly recommend risking 10% per trade of whatever your drawdown is. If you have a profitable strategy with a reasonable win rate, this is easy. And to make this even better, 3 trades and 2 losses every session. And to make this even better, one step above them all is trading for 1 hour a day or trading 1 hour at a time. That is all you need to pass the prop firm challenge. If you have any questions, please ask. My strategy is so easy. My mentorship, I have systemized everything. I get really straight to the point. I cut down 6 years into 30 days. I can literally change your life. Let me do it. Give this your all. And realistically, if you were not in school right now, this is your school. This will get you where you want to be in life. All right. Hopping off, buddy. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. I want to put some dancing animals on the screen, suggesting the video where I teach my strategy. And that's it. I check the mentorship out. There's a free trial. I want you to succeed. I love teaching. Hop on my live streams. I stream Monday through Friday. And all right, to the dancing animals, let's go.